Kawin ni jaka sumar hanong ba Shillong ke civil hospital hene kesngi kelayo ban pinbiang shushu na kebenta ke jingdon kam jugi pajba hakabu menteri ketenat ke kot ke khia u James P.K. Sangma ula Plie ke PSA oxygen plant ke Geriatric ward ke badai kerpang na kebenta ke recruitment baru ke shredder machine ke jaka bentangi ki tiar ba pendon kam hospital kum ki ternia inject ki bitor drip bat kiwe haba kerana kani kesngi nak kaliang James P.K. Sangma ula ai kublai kerpangi kani kejaka sumar ke balala ben syakri ban ajeng sumar hagini kipor baka jela kaya kendu berka kelam COVID-19 baru ula ai jeng yaro igi doktor ki bala tre shitom khamta ban pe jeka khya ka shon jongi pajba baduna kayo kakot ula ongru bak civil hospital ka ai kan nuksa ka babhan ka banta kiwei per kejaka ai jeng sumar ha ka jela.
This is something that it shows really how progressive Meghalaya is becoming. It is an indication of that. It is a testimony of the kind of progress that we are seeing in our state. And this is a start, and this is something that we have to replicate in all other medical health facilities across the state. And it is the constant endeavor of our department to ensure that these services will be also put in other medical facilities across the state. We really appreciate the kind of way that things are systematically organized here, the way that the doctors, the nurses, all the non-medical staff, everybody in Shillong Civil Hospital, kind of services they offer. It's not easy. I know how difficult it must be. Being a doctor, being in the medical profession is one of the most stressful jobs, but yet all of you are offering this yeoman's service, which is really very commendable, and thank you to each and every one of you, and congratulations for the kind of achievements that you've been able to achieve.